Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this right here is Levi, and he really wants to play, so I'm gonna let him down. But I just wanted to share with you guys something that I add to Levi's food. This is the Raw Boost Mixers by Instinct, and I am obsessed with this product. As you can see, I'm almost done with this bag. It is essentially raw food that has been freeze-dried, so you can add it on top of your cat's traditional food. I am absolutely obsessed with this. I think that is such a smart concept. Raw food is so good for our cats, and so I love that you can add some raw food into their diet with real ease. This is so easy to use. It gives you the serving instructions on the back, and I really love too that the brand is so clear about the ingredients list, so you know exactly what food is going in here as well as what part of the animal it's coming from. He also really loves these. He goes crazy for them. He always eats them first, so I highly recommend these myself. But of course, check with your vet, make sure that your cat will be good on a product like this, and if they are, then definitely try them out. I'm sure your cat will thank me. So with that said, I love these, highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.